Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods, and in this video I have a luxury sofa set for you. When we talk about luxury, generally a few things comes in mind, like the Italian furniture, Egyptian furniture, Turkish furniture, or maybe China furniture. But when you can get the better designs, the grand designs like these right here, made in India by the master artisans, local artisans of India, of Bharat, why to go outside India? Let me show you the design first, then I'll explain the finer points about the pricing, about the quality, about the fabric, all these points. First, let me show you what I have. I have a three-seater here, a three-seater here, a two-seater. Along with this, we have got four side tables and a big center table that I'll cover a little later, because when I place it here, the front part is not visible. Let's see the design and the carving and the work and the master class of the Indian Bharatiya artisans. The back height is 54 inches, 4.5 feet. Out and out, this is 7 feet wide, left to right. Front to back, 32 inches. This is the size of three-seater. 20 inches sitting height. And let me sit on it and show you the complete grandness of the unit. I'll sit in the middle and you will see why they are called Maharaja units. You can see the crown right at the back, and that's why this furniture is known as Maharaja furniture as well. Made in solid teak wood, gold rush finish, and an amazing looking patchwork. The patch you can see here, this is the design that you mostly find in royal furniture, be it from Dubai, be it from Middle East, anywhere, or even China. Now the difference part, I forgot to mention about this, the two-seater. The two-seater is 5.5 feet out and out. The back is that's the same, 54 inches, front to back 32 inches. The table we have is 5 by 3. I'll bring it a little later. Let's see the design first. Now let me give you a few differences, what we make and what the other countries are making. First, we make it in teak wood. Teak wood is considered the best wood for furniture across the globe. However, all the major countries or the people who make luxury furniture are using either olive wood, walnut wood, cherry, birch wood, and different kind of woods. Teak wood is generally not available, and also resin fiber units are made in bulk. I'll not name the country here, but mostly in that country, when you see very designer furniture, that is mostly made in resin or fiber. Fiber furniture is just like in the wedding halls, you see very big structures and very heavy structures. These are generally fiber, not wood. This solid wood, heavy units, I cannot alone pick it up. It's quite in weight, and again very heavy carving design. Other than that, it is double carved. So the carving you see on the front is at the back as well, and this is a uniqueness of this kind of furniture. Double carving is not possible so far with any machine. It requires real people, human, because both side carving machine cannot do so far, because technology is advancing, so anything can happen in the coming years. And this double carving looks really amazing when you have the visibility from all the sides. Let me explain. This sofa unit is towards the wall. We have it covered at the back on the wall, so this part is not visible. So when you have this whole set sitting right in the middle of the room, where you have movement from all the sides and visibility from the other sides, this back carving looks amazing. I'll show you the back of the unit as well. Let me move this unit. It's a three-seater also, and you can see the, oh, and you can see the back design as well for a three-seater. The two-seater is already covered, and this is one of the grand and unique feature of double carving furniture. Let me get it back in its position. The side table we have is 21 inches square, height is 22 inches for the side table. The center table is 20 inches high. I'll bring it. Let me bring it in the frame. All right, this is the table and a beautiful carving on the top. Once we have the glass sitting on it, it's ready for use. The entire set is luxury, royal, designer, grand, unique. The best adjectives you can get for furniture fits on this design. And the best part, made in India by master or local artisans from a small city like ours. However, what you get is the brand of Aarsun. Arson is an international trademark registered in 35 countries. We are delivering to 55 countries, and you will also be proud to hear this that a local company made in India product, a company from a small town, is decorating the global homes, helping global interior designers, biggest architects, home decorators with our local art. This is not just about the money or the economy, it's also about our pride. Our work is decorating thousands of homes across the globe, and we're really happy about it. We're really proud about it, and I like to request you, if you also like our work, please share it. Please like it. It's a very standard, very monotonous kind of line you hear every day from every YouTuber or other social media channels. But this is important for us also because it takes our work to a lot of people. So request you to please share or please like, because this is amazing work right in front of you, made in India by our local people. About the wood part, I've explained the teak wood. About the fabric part, fabric comes from 70 rupees per meter to 70,000 rupees per meter. Fabric is that costly also. So if you are going to use any fabric that is very costly, obviously the costs goes higher. We have used fabric up to 45,000 rupees per meter ourselves. The client provided it, we used it. So there is no limit to the expense you can do. The expensive furniture can be anything. About the color, if you see here, we have made the same set in natural finish as well, in darker color as well, and we can go for any color: white, off white, gold, and silver, and then you have rose gold, dual shade, triple shade, gold leafing, silver leafing, champagne leafing, any kind of leafing you're looking at, all those colors are available. We are doing it. So size, design, color, fabric, everything we try and provide as per your choice. And this is why our furniture is called Choice Wala Furniture. Now, coming to the most important part, the price, because that is one thing that drives our purchase. First thing, our furniture is not cheap. We don't make cheap furniture or cheap stuff at all. So no video of ours you will see this much discount, sale furniture, because we make everything on order and we take very good care of the quality. And that is why we are able to make this brand, Arson, that is recognized globally by all the furniture makers, by most of the biggest architects and interior designers and home decorators, because they know what we are doing. Once you select the stuff and let us know what you're looking for, we calculate a price and we provide it to you according to your location. You are in India, you are outside India, the GST part, the shipment part, all these things put together, and the variables like the paint color, the fabric choice, and number of seats, bigger table, smaller table, number of side tables, all these things put together comes to a cost. When you are buying imported furniture, let's say you're buying something from Italy, I'll request you to go to Google and check the import duties. There are very high duties these days for imports because even government of India wants us to make everything in India. Atma Nirbhar Bharat, as they call it, and we call it, and we are trying to do that because majorly in last few years, before Arson came in the picture and promoted everything so nicely over the platforms, that the demand for carving furniture has risen so much. Mostly you would have find plain furniture, imported furniture, Chinese furniture in all the shops. Now you'll find a lot of carving furniture sitting everywhere. The imported furniture has got a lot of duty, import duty, and that's why they are costlier. So it doesn't mean it's costlier, that's why it's good. It has got taxes, a lot of taxes, and that is why they are considered expensive. Here we are giving you best quality, the brand of Arson, home delivery in India or out of India, made to order. One of the most difficult things, because when you go to a shop or a showroom, you can buy what they have. You cannot tell them I need this, and they will make it and provide you. Generally, they don't have that option, but we do. We are a factory and we make it as what you want. So choose it. Let us know what you like. What is your theme? How the interior design is, the colors, the fabric, number of seats, size, everything as per your choice at factory price, brand of Arson, and home delivery in India or out of India, wherever you are. Thousands of testimonials on our website that will show what we have done. have a look. You'll get very good ideas from there if you are looking for some different thing. Let's see what other people have bought, what they have got designed, how the stuff is, how the furniture is looking once they have placed it in the actual place. Because here, when we have it, we have a standard setup, a few lights and just a simple setup. But when it goes in the actual place where we have the theme, maybe the curtains or the wallpaper or the wall color or the ceiling, maybe the ceiling has a very amazing royal design kind of on the sides, and all the pattern and the carpets, putting together everything, the look changes completely. And that is what the testimonial section that is still running on your website showcases. Amazing work, hand carved work, brand of Aarsun, and your choice. Number is right with you here on the screen. Website is aarsunwoods.com. Any channel, social media, you can go Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, and Pinterest. Any social media channel you can check. We are there. We are present there, and we are promoting everything so much that taking this art to the global level. Hope you like our stuff. Thank you. Dhanyavad.